Welcome to the PlantworX show. So the SiteStak system's been a great success over the last 5-6 years since we launched it. A lot of forward-thinking groundworks companies have all jumped on the bandwagon and said, yeah, that'll work for us on our sites, keeping the sites tidier, more efficient, quicker to move the drainage around. You can see your stock levels as well. And now we're introducing a lot more on the cutting and chamfering side of it to make sure the quality is maintained with accurate, straight cuts on the pipes and decent chamfer as well. A tidy site is a safe site. And that's the big thinking behind the SiteStak system. It keeps everything tidy, and that in turn does make things more efficient. You've got less wastage of materials, less wasted time, looking for different bits and pieces. It is all about tidiness, and that is a very key part of the system. Drainage materials on your site, you probably find they often end up in a bit of a mess, and if they're stored in the compound and you're having to work further away from them, you'll have guys walking back and forth trying to carry individual bends and fittings. So SiteStak solves all that. You store just all your drainage goes in the SiteStak at the start of the day, move it out to the plot you're working on. It's a workbench, it's mobile, and it's tidy storage with stock control built in. We've got the whole Muck Stopper system on display here for the first time, but there's two sides to that. There's your plot drainage side. So in your inspection chambers, we've all been there mucking out inspection chambers that have had all sorts of debris and muck falling in them. Well, this whole range will keep the muck out of those inspection chambers. And on the other side, there's the roads and sewers. So you've got your manholes in the road, and we've got a system for that. It keeps the silt out of them, and your road gullies as well. So yeah, we're trying to protect the whole drainage system on site from being filled up with muck and debris, which happens all too often. But we're trying to move into a sector where we're solving problems that other people haven't tackled, because it's all well and good coming out with a copycat product to someone else, but we'd rather be the innovators. We've completely focused on being on sites, actually talking to the people on the tools. And that's where you get the ideas from, and that's where you find the problems that they're facing, and you try and come up with a solution, and then you test it with them. And if it doesn't work, you tweak it. And so by working closely in partnership with our customers in the groundworks industry, that's how we're coming up with these solutions. And we welcome more groundworks companies to get in touch and be part of that journey, helping us come up with game-changing products.